Question answer chapter 17 class 8th. Now very short answer type question. Question number 1. What are comets? Comets are ball of frozen gases, dust particles and rocks that follow a regular orbit around the sun. Means comets, these are also revolving around the sun in definite orbit. Now question number 2. Name two artificial satellites launched by India. Answer is Aryabhat, Chandrayaan 1. Children, you can name any artificial satellite in this answer. Now question number 3. What does INSAT stand for? INSAT stand for Indian National Satellite. Indian National Satellite. Question 4. Can we talk on moon? Yes, answer is no. No, because it has no atmosphere. So sound cannot be transmitted on moon. So we can't talk. If we are talking, then we are not able to hear any sound. Question 5. Which is the largest planet of our solar system? Answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. Question 6. What is the name of India's first satellite? Answer is Aryabhat. Aryabhat is the name of India's first artificial satellite. Short answer type question. Question number 1. In how much time Earth spins once about its axis? Answer is 24 hours. Earth spins about its axis in 24 hours. Question 2. What do you mean by the words gibbous and crescent? Answer is crescent is one of the phases of the moon when the moon is less than half illuminated. The gibbous is also one of the phases of the moon when the moon is more than half illuminated. In gibbous moon, we are able to see more than half moon. In crescent moon, we see only very little part of the moon. Question 3. What is the temperature of moon during night? Answer is minus 387 Fahrenheit or minus 233 degree Celsius. This is the temperature of moon during night. Question 4. What is full form of Apple? Answer is Ariane Passenger Payload Experiment. Apple stands for Ariane Passenger Payload Experiment. Question 5. Why do stars twinkle? Answer is stars twinkle due to atmospheric refraction. That is, we view them through a thick layer of moving air in the earth atmosphere. That's why they appear to twinkle. Now question 6. What is a natural satellite? The heavenly bodies which revolve around the planets are called natural satellite. Except Mercury and Venus, all planets have satellites revolving around them. Earth has moon as its only natural satellite. Means Earth has only one natural satellite. Question number 7. What is a galaxy? Answer is clusters of stars in the universe are called galaxy. Galaxy is clusters of stars in the universe. Question 8. What is the difference between natural and artificial satellite? Natural satellites are the already existing heavenly bodies revolving around the planets in a fixed orbit. It cannot be used in TV transmission programs, remote sensing, internet like scientific interest, as it is not placed in geostationary orbit. Now, children, once again understand natural and artificial satellite. Natural satellite, so these are the already existing heavenly bodies. These are present in the universe and they revolve around the planets in fixed orbit. And natural satellite, so they cannot be used in TV transmission, remote sensing, internet, and like scientific interest. And natural satellite not placed in geostationary orbit, whereas artificial satellites are launched by human being from the earth, and they revolve around the earth or some other planet, and they help in TV transmission program, remote sensing, and in telecommunications, and for scientific work also, and they are placed in a geostationary orbit.